guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing the first week in June in my work planner, and I'm going to be using the Boho sticker book from, Recollections. I've decided that in my work planner on my dailies, monthlies, and currentlies, I'm going to be using either a license book, which is the Recollections book, or a Happy Planner book, or I'm going to be using Orphans and Oopsies. So I do have a lot of Oopsies and that's just when I print something in one page of the set messes up and the rest doesn't. I go ahead and put those to the side. If they're passable, the pages that don't mess up, I do put in a pile to just throw in as freebies. And then the ones that are really messed up, I keep for myself because I can always do a little sticker surgery and whatnot. So I decided to use this book because I've got this ugly orange. I really hate this orange. But I figured if I use this book has a lot of pink and orange in combination. So I'm going to try to make this work. And I think it's going to, I love this page. And there's lots of different ones that I can try in here. So I'm going to see what I can come up with these. So let's get started. Also, I've been wanting to challenge myself to use the, I call them the tombstone stickers. So I'm going to try to use them in this spread, but we will see. So let's get started. Okay. I really don't like when they have a colored background on the stickers. And I'm going to be using the ones from the Oopsies for my boxes. So really all I need is image boxes and whatnot. So let's see. Seize your moment. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. Explore, live boldly, travel, adventure, dream. Rip. Oh my goodness, that's in 2 pieces. Okay. Did not know that. I thought that was 1 piece, but that's great because I can use both pieces and make something really interesting with that. Let's see what else. That's a purple, a pink and orange, so really like that. Let's see, I definitely want the elephants, which is the main reason that I even, let's move this out of the way, bought this book, is because I love elephants. I think they're some of the most beautiful, majestic creatures God created, so definitely want to use these. Let's see. I'm gonna wait. I may use that one, but I'm not sure yet. Let's see what we've got at the back here. I'll go with that. More elephants. I do want a bigger one though. I think I'm gonna end up with a whole page of elephants because these are just calling my name. So grab that one and that one. Let's see what else. I love that, but I'm not sure that it will work. Let's see. Oh, I like this one. So we're going to take these 2 pieces apart. I do kind of like that it's frames and the pieces. So as you can probably tell, this is the first time I have opened this one. So I'm trying to acquaint myself with what's in this book. Let's see. Another big, pretty elephant. Come on. Okay, maybe I'm not meant to get that one. Let's wait. Anyway, because I may have more than I need already. Because I only have 1 quote. So let's see if we can find some more quote-ish things. And I know I have a couple of things that I have to cover. So don't like that as free as it doesn't go with what I have as free as the ocean. Let's use this Adventure 1. And then The World Awaits. I look for that. Okay, so now let's see what we've got going. I know that I'm going to need a very large box for right here, a large box for here. So usually for the last few weeks, I've put a long one here and a big one here. So let's do that the opposite way. So let's see what we got. Got a large one. So let's grab it and pop it. I'm going to turn it the opposite way that I normally do. And let's pop it down at the bottom of that section. Then, I'm going to grab a nice long box. Let's find one. Cannot separate these sticker sheets. And those don't have long ones, and that doesn't have long ones. Okay, so maybe not a long one. But no, I want a long one. I really, really do. Let's see. I 100% know that I had a page of oopsies with really long black boxes. And it was just like this one. There's reds. Extra size patriotic gnomes. Washi strips. The last of that watermelon gnome set I used a week or two ago. More black boxes. Aha! I knew I had you. Alright, let's see if I can get it out of here. I had my nails done a couple weeks ago, and I got them done a little too long. And they are driving me batty. And I cannot wait to get them filled and cut back because, yeah. Alrighty. Finally got just what I wanted. So we're going to take this one. If I put it down here, it covers all of that. Okay. I'll lift that up for a second. And let's see if I've got. Let me grab that. And I need a bit of sticker paper. So let's see if that's. Hope I cut it on the right side. That's the only tricky part. Is I can't tell which side. This is one side. Hold on. Okay. So let's grab right here. Goodness gracious. Cut it on the wrong side. That's the problem. But there we go. And let's cover most of this just like that. I got a tiny little bit. It's a piece of sticker from, I believe that's from my troll spread. Must have been stuck to my scissors. Alrighty. Stick that back down. And there we go. Now, so we've got our main places covered. And I want this. I think I'm going to do this. Have a little bit of an idea. going to take this one, this little frame, and I'm going to offset it. So we're going to take it down and over, so right there, right there. Now I'm going to take this one and pop it right here. There we go, like that. Then, need something over that because I'm going to put my purchase list. And of course I had to tear this elephant, but we're going to make him work. Let's see, can you fit? You're too big for there. Alrighty, I need something here. So for that, I'm gonna make a title box. You know what? I'm not gonna grab a hexagon for once. I'm gonna make, let's see which way do I like it better. So I'm gonna put this one right here. And then I'm gonna grab a second elephant, which is gonna be this guy. And I'm gonna pop it right there as the title for that one. Then I'm gonna do it again with the offset. I think I might need another one of these with the frame and box because I really like the way that looks. So we got that. You find that page. Get the boxes and frames. Oh, please. And let's grab this set. So I'm going to take this one and pop the center. And then let's grab it right there and there. Come on. It's the only thing I don't like about these frames. And pop this right. And that black is just not, it's a dull black. Okay. And I want another really big box. And I'm going to pair it with this piece, if I can get it off. And I'm going to take one of these and turn it sideways. Which is going to go there. Actually, I'm going to lift this one up. Line it up right with the edge of this black. Sorry about that. There we go. And then I'm going to take this and cut it in half. Should have grabbed my thicker scissors for this, but oh well. And I always say I'm going to clean off my scissors, and I never do. But let's pop this one here at this bottom corner. Come on. Okay, so we haven't even started on this side. And I'm going to put this down because I think I want to put it over that. But before I can do that, I need to white out these letters right here. What does everybody else use this section for? I always just cover it, but wish I had some ideas on what to use it for that would work, because every idea that I've heard, it's just not anything I'm going to need. So I don't like that one. Okay, let's see what I have left. So I have another frame and picture one here. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to do it for Tuesday, which is release day. Let's get it right this side. This is really difficult to do with these super thin frames, but I am determined and I'm going to make it. Yes. I'm going to make it work. And for this one, I'm going to do it the opposite way. And then the world awaits. And with that, I'm going to do what I wanted to do with one of the tombstones, which is butted out like a flag. And that's for my planner meeting. And since I'm not having much luck butting things up, I'm going to stick it to the side and not fight it. Next, let's see. I've got an elephant here. And let's take this elephant and pair it with a hexagon. Surprise, surprise. I'm adding hexagons. Is anyone surprised at that? Not sure with you yet. And I think I'm going to add a few more hexagons, but I think I want to do one right here. And then this one with 2 boxes. On the opposite side. So we're going to take this. Let's go there. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Let's put that there. And then let's see. There, there. Does anybody else think that looks like a little bow? Like a pixelated bow? I think that's cute. But it's crooked. Of course it is. I got the hexagon straight. So that's a switch. But this guy is all kinds of crooked. Because it would be a miracle if I got them both straight. I mean, come on. Is that even possible? Let's slide it over just a bit. Let's see. All right. Now I need something in that little space and a couple more boxes for the week over here. So let's pop you there. Wait. I have this little adventure sticker. And let's pop it there. Let's see what else we've got. Do I have any? I've got another elephant to go as well. So let's see. Oh, I've got 2 elephants. So it's this one and this one. So we're going to take this one right here. Cover it right there. And then I've got this one. And these 2. So let's see. For Friday, go here and here and put you right. Dang it. Okay, got too much stuff right here. And I need some undo because I want to move these. I'm going to start with this one right here. And then this one, move up. And right here. And put you there. See how we're looking. I really like this so far. Let's see, what else do I have that I can use? So I've got some awkward spaces, so we're gonna see what we can fill those with. Since I've got that adventure, I can use this explore up here. See how. See if I like it under the edge of this hexagon. So let's see if we can put it right down to the edge. And put it down straight. Put it right there. Okay, come on, come on, come on. And then I need something tiny for that gap. Which, yeah, let's grab this little flower. Right there. Perfect. Now something for these little spaces here. Let's grab this one and this one. So if I do this, and then I need something in this little area. And I think I'll be okay with the rest. Let me see. Do a quick glance. No. Wait. Let's see if this one fits. Okay. Let's see if I can get it. Still not right. Nope. That's just not what I want. And I don't have a clear spot to put this in. Let's stick it right there. I like this live boldly, but let's see. Definitely need to mark Monday as a payday. It's my Etsy payday, and then we can mark Friday as dance. And wow, that one's crooked, but I'll straighten it up later. Maybe. I just want something in this spot. Ooh, I like this lotus. Let's see, will that work? but then I'll be stealing it and won't have it with the frame. Let's see. I think I may use that, but let me just make sure. Oh, wait. It's a different shape, which I like. And it says embrace your journey. And I know that's two quotes right on top of each other, two words right on top of each other, but I like that. Alrighty, let me see. That looks pretty balanced. It's not super crazy like most of my spreads, but not everything has to be super crazy. So let me have a quick step back and look at this and see what else it needs, if it needs anything else. Oh, I'm forgetting something, but it's because this is one of somebody else's books and not one of mine, so it does not have bullets. Let's see if I've got any bullets anywhere accessible. If not, maybe we'll just do one without bullets, because I'm not going to make you guys wait for me to dig and search for more black bullets if there's not any fairly close. Nope. Don't have any there. And let's try them. Ah, there's 3. Let's grab a couple of these. Let's grab these 3. Goodness gracious. 1. Come on. 2, 3. See, are there any more? And these are some orphans from the watermelon set I used to do the 2 spreads the week before this one. And then there's a few left from my strawberry milk spread. This is why I fill in blank spaces with just dots, because I always need them. So let's go Friday, let's go here and here. I know Saturday I have a couple things to do. There and there. And let's throw these last. Let's do some weekly ones there. All right, let's get this out of my way and have a quick look. All right, guys, what do you think? I think it's cute, and it's different than what I normally do. Well, a little bit different. We still got lots of boxes and lots of hexagons, but I didn't go too crazy with hexagons. But you guys let me know what you think down in the comments. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook and Instagram, and of course to come by my Etsy shop. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.